Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jompi phone singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hndru wei ar nyau lai Kajing penlong jonggi kenhun baper ya ki jingyaki nak benta bandawa ya ki kampenroy ha kadong katany ke bagisa la penlong da ki nong yalam jonggi kenhun baper bat kajing kersian nak pajba ki pamat ya ki jinge khamtam kajing shana ya ki surok ha keleng ga jela artli ki jingyaki harilum khasi ha ki ni khantiat tayo ki bala lekno bat ha kaneng tayo bala dam kata ha ka arpu pratare ku jelew arajar arpsau ki pajba narilum garo ki laimi rengkat ke jingra aplakat bat ke jingya perta ban penrem ya ke sarkar halor ke jing bomla ban sena ya ki surok ki bala juilap ba ke surok ka diu budlum jong garoi ke par bat ru bala da ki shnong ki thau ki dong ki than ki don ya ke surok ke jingger khu kan long ya ki pajba baro ha ke te ki jing ki da ka bayat pajba lai sim bentaru nadu ki nong ilam sinong la ne ki nokma ki nong ilam jong ki seng bhalang baper ki bakentup nadu ka AYWO ka ADE ka AHAM ka FKJGP ka NGCO lembat ki pajba jong ka than laban kedo bagne ka jing sniu jong surok ka badeiru ka surok National Highway Arspa khatnyo ka badang hap mapo ka South Kor Hills District ka jing sniu lalong shibapalan ya kini ka jing ki dak bapanlong dak jing yai rally lasdang na badan football gaswa para bat shadu gaswa para development block Usengrik M Sangma ulapan pau ya jing sokya halor ka jingle kuman jong sarkar ban senai kene surok wat apa kalayu i bagi pajba kila jenjar bah hagalek kawan bat ula kunturu ya ka sarkar bagari ban senano mador ya kene surok
I'm Sengrik M Marak, General Secretary of Garo Student Union Gasupara Regional Unit. Today we have conduct a rally for the quick construction of our NH 217. Earlier it was NH 62, but it has been upgraded to NH 217. The purpose of our rally is since the site measurement has been done, but till now other process has not been started, like kind of compensation for the public and all those other process needed for the upgradation of NH 217. So till now it has been delayed. Last time only the notice for that how much your hectare has it came out, but till now from the government side it has been delayed. So based on that, we public along with NOCMAS and NGOs, we have organized so that our demand can be, or our needs can be fulfilled earlier or as soon as possible. While doing our rally, we can witness the mother of all potholes, as you can see here in South Garo Hills. In other district you can see all smooth road, but here only in Garo Hills you can see in South Garo Hills you can see mother of all potholes here. So I urge the government of Meghalaya to quickly look onto this matter as soon as possible, and if the government is not listening to us, we also will not stop, we also will not rest until our demand has been fulfilled. Thank you.